Hello students, in this lecture we see the examples on the definite integral in the exercise 4.2. Okay. In the exercise 4.2 we are discuss the examples which are already we are done in our chapter integration. Okay. Here in this chapter definite integral there is only one term is introduced, that is the limit. Okay. Here we know it is an integral of f of x. Integral of f of x is equal to g of x plus c. Here c is an integral constant and which is not unique, so it is called the indefinite integral. Okay. Now in the definite integral, here integral of f of x dx. Okay. And here it is a limit a to b. That means here the values of x belongs to a comma b. Okay. The value of x belongs to a comma b. That means it is the limit of the value of x. It is a. X is greater or equal to a or and less or equal to b. Okay. Here values of x in between a and b. Okay. In definite integral we can directly integrate this. Okay. And the methods of integration. Okay. Here it is a method of substitution. First we see the standard integral, then method of substitution, then integration by parts, and last integration by partial fraction. Okay. And in the substitution, partial fraction or integration by parts, we are discuss the several types of the methods how to solve the integral of any function. Okay. Now here the limit, it is a new term introduced in a definite integral. Okay. Here now the integral of f of x is equal to g of x. In definite integral, here in definite integral there is compulsory to write the integral constant, and in definite integral there is not there we cannot write the integral constant. Here we write the limit of this function a to b. Okay. Here we can write this bracket, and now the calculation is the integral of f of x is g of x. Okay. The calculation of definite integral is we put the limit. First we put the upper limit, it is b is the upper limit and a is a lower limit. First we put the value of b, and then second we put the value of a, that is the lower limit, and the calculation is upper limit minus lower limit. When we put in an integral upper limit minus lower limit, it is a calculation, okay, of the definite integral. Okay. Here डेफिनाइट इंटिग्रल मध्ये आपण सगळेच्या सगळे प्रॉब्लेम ॲज इट इज इनडेफिनाइट इंटिग्रल मागच्या चॅप्टरमध्ये जसे केलेले तसेला तसेच करायचे, फक्त इथं लास्ट स्टेप चेंज होणार आहे. इथे लिमिट दिलेलं असल्यामुळे काय करायचं आपल्याला, लास्टला जे काही इंटिग्रल येईल प्लस सी लिहायची गरज नाही. ओके. प्लस सी लिहिलं तरी ते कॅन्सलच होणार. ओके. त्याच्यामुळे प्लस सी लिहायचंच नाही. हिअर जे काही इंटिग्रल येईल त्याच्यात आधी अप्पर लिमिट ठेवा आणि मायनस लोअर लिमिट, बस ही एवढी लास्ट एक स्टेप चेंज आहे. बाकी पूर्ण कॅल्क्युलेशन आपण लास्ट चॅप्टर मध्ये जे जे पाहिलेले तेच एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत. आता तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल्स घेतल्याच्या नंतर कळेलच. ओके. हिअर नाउ वी सी द एक्झाम्पल्स इन एक्सरसाइज 4.2. ओके. एक्झाम्पल सेम आपण प्रत्येक एक्झाम्पल याच्या आधी घेतलेलेच आहेत. ओके. याच्यात फक्त लिमिट कसं पुट करायचं तेवढं पहा आणि त्याचं कॅल्क्युलेशन, म्हणजे फक्त लास्ट स्टेप चेंज आहे. बाकी सगळेच्या सगळे प्रॉब्लेम आपण रिपीट, म्हणजे आपण इंटिग्रेशन चॅप्टरचंच रिव्हिजन करणार आहे तिथं. या 4.2 मध्ये काय प्रत्येक प्रॉब्लेम तुमचा लास्ट चॅप्टरमधलाच आहे, फक्त लास्ट चॅप्टरमध्ये आपण टाईप वाईज घेतले होते. आता इथं काय मिक्स येतील कोणतेही प्रॉब्लेम. ओके. नाउ हिअर द एक्झाम्पल्स इन द एक्सरसाइज 4.2. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, इव्हॅल्युएट integral 1 to 9 x plus 1 upon under root x with respect to x. Okay. See carefully this. Now solution. Here I, it is an integral, indefinite or definite. Notation it is a I, indefinite integral or definite integral. Indefinite integral, the answer is in the function. Okay. Answer in terms of the f of x and plus c. Okay. In definite integral the answer of this integral is a constant. Okay, now we check this. Here I is equal to this integral x plus 1 upon under root x. Here such type of the examples we have already discussed in the last chapter. Now here it is a limit 1 to 9. Okay, now first we solve this integral. Here integral 1 to 9, separate the under root x plus 1 by under root x. Now integral 1 to 9, here it is under root x and it is plus, we can write this as it is 1 by under root x dx. Okay, x upon under root x, it is under root x. And now here both are in the form of x to the power n, therefore it is x to the power 1 by 2 plus here 1 upon under root, that is x to the power minus 1 by 2 with respect to x. Now we integrate this x to the power n, that is x to the power n plus 1, 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus it is x to the power n plus 1, that is 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2. Okay, here indefinite integral we can write here it is a plus c and it is the last answer, indefinite integral. Okay, now it is a definite, here we put the limit. Okay, here it is an integral and now we can write it is a 1 to 9. Okay, we can put the limit 1 to 9. Now this can be written as, here see carefully, it is a 2 by 3 into x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 into x to the power 1 by 2 and limit it is 1 to 9. See carefully, it is a 2 by 3 by 2 means here 2 by 3 into x under root x, it is x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 into under root x and here limit it is 1 to 9. Okay, now it is an integral, it is indefinite integral. Okay, now we put the lower limit and upper limit and method is upper limit minus lower limit, and therefore see carefully, first we put the upper limit in this function, that is 2 by 3 into 9 into under root 9 plus 2 into under root 9. We replace x by the upper limit minus, it is a 2 by 3 1 into under root 1 plus 2 into under root 1. See carefully this calculation. Okay, it is integral of this function x plus 1 upon under root x, it is an integral. In this integral we put first upper limit x replaced by this 9 and minus lower limit x replaced by this 1, and now only take the calculation. Here it is a 2 by 3, carefully. Okay, it is 9 under root 9 and this 3 get cancelled. Now here it is only 18. Okay, 3 and here under root 9 cancel, 9 into 2 18 plus 6. Okay, 3 into 2 minus, here it is 1 and it is 1, that is 2 by 3 plus 2, it is 2 by 3 and it is 2, and now here 18 plus 6, it is a 24 minus, as a calculation carefully, 6, that is 8 upon 3. Okay, and then here 24 into 3, it is a 72, carefully, 72 minus 8, 72 minus 8, it is a 64 and upon 3. Okay, it is the last answer, it is 72 minus 8, 64 by 3. It is the integral of this function. Okay, आता त्याच्यात काय केले, सेम इंटिग्रल इनडेफिनेट इंटिग्रल नुसार हे इथपर्यंत सेम लास्ट चॅप्टर नुसारच इनडेफिनेट इंटिग्रल काढलं आणि त्याच्यानंतर काय केले, फक्त अप्पर लिमिट मायनस लोअर लिमिट. आधी अप्पर लिमिट ठेवलं एक्सच्या जागेवर अप्पर लिमिट मायनस एक्सच्या जागेवर एक्सची व्हॅल्यू, एक्सच्या दोन व्हॅल्यू, इट इज एक्स बिलॉंग्स टू 1,9, इट इज लोअर लिमिट लोएस्ट अँड इट इज हायेस्ट. अप्पर लिमिट मायनस लोअर लिमिट एवढं लक्षात राहू दे. आलेल्या इंटिग्रेशनमध्ये आधी अप्पर लिमिट ठेवा, नंतर मायनस लोअर लिमिट, आणि हे त्याचं कॅल्क्युलेशन. ओके, नाव वी सी नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. example number 2, integral 2 to 3 1 upon x square plus 5x and plus 6 dx. Now here again such type of the examples, that is the 1 upon quadratic function. And how to solve it? 1 upon quadratic function, we solve this example by using completing square method and use any one formula out of 3 special integrals, that is 1 upon x square plus a square, 1 upon x square minus a square, and 1 upon a square minus x square. Now we check this here. Let the integral is 2 to 3 1 upon here x square plus 5x plus 6 dx. Okay, now here limit 2 to 3. Okay, लिमिट विसरून जा. आता फक्त हे इंटिग्रल सॉल्व करा आणि इंटिग्रल सॉल्व केल्याच्या नंतर मग लिमिट ठेवायचं आपल्याला. ओके, इंटिग्रल कसं सॉल्व करणार आता? लास्ट याच्यात जसं सॉल्व केलं तसंच बाय कम्प्लिटिंग स्क्वेअर. इंटिग्रल 2 to 3 1 upon x square plus 5x, x square plus 5x, and plus minus the coefficient of x, it is a 5, half of 5 it is a 5 by 2, and square of the 5 by 2 it is 25 by 4 minus 25 by 4, and it is a plus 6 as it is dx. Then integral 2 to 3 1 upon here x plus 5 by 2 square, x plus 5 by 2 square, and here it is minus 25 plus 24, that is minus 1 by 4 dx. Then integral 2 to 3 1 upon it is x plus 5 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square dx. Okay, and now it is 1 upon x square minus a square, and the formula for the 1 upon x square minus a square, integral of 1 upon x square minus a square, it is 1 by 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a. Then the integral is, now we can find the integral, it is 1 by a, 1 by 2a. Okay, 2 into a it is 1 by 2 into log of x minus a upon x plus a. Okay, and here not write the plus c, here we can write limit 2 to 3. Okay, here limit of the function. Okay, here 2 to 3 लिमिट लिहिणं कंपल्सरी आहे. ओके, आता हा ब्रॅकेट या साईडनं नाही लिहिलं तरी चालतंय, पण या साईडनं कंपल्सरी ब्रॅकेट. नाव हिअर 2 to get cancel, therefore integral is equal to, carefully पहा, log of x, here 2 to get cancel, log of x plus 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is a 4 by 2, 4 by 2 means 2, x plus 2 whole to the upon, again here x plus 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it is a 6 by 2, that is a 3, it is x plus 3, and limit 2 to 3. Okay, now it is a indefinite integral. Okay, if there is not given the limit, the answer of this question, indefinite integral, it is log of x plus 2 upon x plus 3 plus c, indefinite integral, but it is a definite integral. Okay, and here limits are given, that is a 2 to 3. Now first we put upper limit, then minus lower limit. Okay, here upper limit, what is the upper limit? It is a 3, therefore x replaced by 3, then 3 plus 2 upon 3 plus 3, minus lower limit, log of 2 plus 2 upon 2 plus 3. Here upper limit minus lower limit. Now we calculate this. Log of it is 5 by 6 minus log of 4 by 5, and then it is by using the property of logarithm 5 by 6 upon 4 by 5, and then last answer it is log of 5 and here 6, that is a 25, okay, upon 24. Okay. Log of 25 upon 24. 5 becomes in the numerator and 6 becomes in the denominator. It is the last answer. Okay, carefully पहा. प्रॉब्लेम सेम ॲज इट इज सॉल्व करायला होतं आपण. इथपर्यंत प्रॉब्लेम लास्ट चॅप्टरमध्ये पाहिलेलाच आहे. आता फक्त आपण लिमिट ठेवायलो. आलेल्या इंटिग्रलमध्ये काय, पहिले एक्सच्या जागा अपर लिमिट अँड देन एक्सच्या जागावर लोअर लिमिट. केअरफुली पहा आणि हे झालं त्याचं कॅल्क्युलेशन. ओके, नाव नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. Example number 3. Integral of 0 to pi by 4 cot square x dx. Now here integral is equal to 0 to pi by 4 cot square x dx. Now we know that how to find the integral of sin square, cos square, tan square, cot square, sin cube and cos cube. Okay, that is to find the integral of such type of the function we use the trigonometric formula of that function. Here we use the cot square x is equal to cosec square x minus 1, and cosec square it is a standard integral. Okay, here integral 0 to pi by 4 cosec square x minus 1, it is a cot square. Now the integral of cosec square, it is a cot x. Integral of cosec square x, 1 minute. Integral of cosec square, it is a minus cot x and it is a minus 1, and here limit it is 0 to pi by 4. Okay, integral of cosec square x, it is a minus cot x, and integral of 1 it is x and it is minus 1. Now here first we put the upper limit, minus cot pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus we take the lower limit, that is minus cot 0. Now here it is a cot 0. Cot 0 it is a indeterminate form, that is the infinity. So answer of this integral is not defined. Okay, we can write here it is a minus 0. Okay, now here it is a minus cot pi by 4. We can write minus cot pi by 4, it is minus 1 minus pi by 4 as it is, but here it is a minus minus plus, but it is an indeterminate form. Okay, cot 0. Okay, here minus minus, suppose it is a plus infinity and minus 0. Okay, minus 0 we can not write, that is it is a not defined. Okay, minus 1 minus pi by 4 it is a plus infinity, so this integral is not defined. In the limit it is a 0 to pi by 4. Okay, here limit it 0 आल्यामुळे आणि cot 0 ची व्हॅल्यू आहे इन्फिनिटी, म्हणून याचा आन्सर नाही काढता येणार. ओके, तुम्ही होमवर्कसाठी हा प्रॉब्लेम घ्या. इट इज इंटिग्रल cot square x dx and here limit 0 to pi by 4, it is a pi by 4 to pi by 2. Okay, here limit pi by 4 to pi by 4 आणि मग याच्यात लिमिट ठेवून द्या, मग त्याचा आन्सर काय येईल. ओके, सपोज मी डायरेक्टली आलो इंटिग्रल मायनस cot x minus x pi by 4 to pi by 2, then it is minus cos pi by 2 minus cot pi by 2 minus pi by 2 and minus cot pi by 4 minus pi by 4. Okay, and then there is a calculation जे येईल cot pi by 2 it is a 0 cot pi by 2 then here it is a minus pi by 2 minus पुन्हा याचा आन्सर येते -1 ओके देन कॅल्क्युलेशन करा तुम्ही हे लिमिट घ्या टेक्स्ट बुक मध्ये 0 to pi by 2 आहे लिमिट कोणते घ्या इट इज और इंटिग्रल इट इज माइनस pi by 4 to pi by 3 हे लिमिट घेऊन सॉल्व करा आता टेक्स्ट बुक मध्ये आन्सर या टाइप मध्ये दिले पण हे नॉट डिफाइंड ओके तुम्ही लिमिट कोणते घ्या pi by 4 फक्त अप्पर लिमिट आणि लोअर लिमिट लहान असलं पाहिजे अप्पर लिमिट मोठं pi by 4 to pi by 3 घ्या किंवा pi by 3 to pi by 6 घ्या सॉरी pi by 6 to pi by 3 कोणतेही लिमिट घेऊन कॅल्क्युलेशन करून पहा ओके होमवर्कसाठी टेक्स्ट बुक मध्ये हे असं दिलेलं आहे याचा आन्सर नॉट डिफाइंड मग त्याच्या जागा तुम्ही pi by 4 to pi by 2 घ्या किंवा pi by 4 to pi by 3 और pi by 6 to pi by 3 ओके कोणतेही लिमिट घेऊन सॉल्व करून पहा ओके नाउ वी सी नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल example number 4 integral minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 1 upon 1 minus sin x now integral is equal to it is 1 upon 1 minus sin x and this example we have already done in our last chapter okay in the first exercise of the last chapter okay here 1 upon 1 minus sin x but here the limits are the given minus pi by 4 and it is a pi by 4 now to solve this integral we multiply numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin x therefore it is minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 1 upon 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus sin x dx. Now take the multiplication. Integral minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 1 plus sin x upon 1 minus sin x 1 plus sin x it is 1 minus sin square x okay here it is 1 minus sin square x and we know that 1 minus sin square x it is a cos square x 1 plus sin x upon it is a cos square x dx. Now we separate this cos square x to the both terms minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 1 upon cos square x plus sin x upon cos square x only separate the denominator okay 1 upon cos square x and sin x upon cos square x. Now we know that 1 upon cos square x means sec square x limit pi by minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 and first term it is sec square x 1 upon cos square x and here it is a sin x upon cos square x. See carefully it is a cos square x okay here cos square x means cos x into cos x that means sin x upon cos x it is a tan and into 1 by cos x it is a sec x therefore it is sec x into tan x and now both are the standard integral sec square x and the sec x into tan x. It is the integral of tan x and it is integral of sec x and therefore here tan x integral of sec square x plus sec x and here limit minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 okay. Now we put first upper limit and then lower limit here tan pi by 4 plus sec pi by 4 minus lower limit tan minus pi by 4 plus sec minus pi by 4. Okay, carefully pa. First we put upper limit and then minus we put lower limit. Now here we know that tan pi by 4 it is 1, but we can write in the next step tan pi by 4 plus sec pi by 4. Carefully pa. Minus, here it is a minus tan pi by 4. Tan minus theta, it is minus tan theta, and sec minus theta, it is a sec theta. Okay, and now here tan pi by 4 minus minus it is plus, therefore it is 2 tan pi by 4, and sec pi by 4 and minus sec pi by 4 get cancelled, and tan pi by 4 it is 1, therefore 2 into 1, and then last answer it is a 2. Okay, see carefully this. Now next example number 5, integral 3 to 5 1 upon under root 2x plus 3 minus under root 2x minus 3 dx. Now let the integral here 1 upon under root 2x plus 3 minus under root 2x minus 3 dx. Again the such type of the examples we are discussed in our exercise 3.1. okay, last exercise of the last chapter. Okay, that is the first exercise in the last chapter. 1 upon under root 2x plus 3 minus under root of 2x minus 3. Here we take the rationalization and solve, but here the limits are the given, it is a 3 to 5. Now integral 3 to 5 1 upon under root 2x plus 3 minus under root 2x minus 3, okay, into under root of 2x plus 3 minus under root of 2x minus 3 upon, sorry here it is minus, so you can write plus for the rationalization, under root of 2x plus 3 plus under root of 2x minus 3. Okay, now we take the calculation. Integral 3 to 5. Okay, here under root 2x plus 3 plus under root 2x minus 3 whole to the upon. Here take the multiplication, it is a minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square. The multiplication, it is a 2x plus 3 minus 2x minus 3 dx. Okay, here it is a multiplication of these two brackets. Now 3 minus 3, it is a 6, and here 2x and minus 2x get cancelled, so here we can write integral 3 to 5, see carefully, it is under root 2x plus 3 plus under root 2x minus 3 and whole to the upon, it is a 6 dx. 3 minus 3, it is a plus 6. Now this 6 constant we take the outside of the integral, and in the integral here 2x plus 3 to the power 1 by 2 plus 2x minus 3 to the power 1 by 2 dx. Okay, we can write under root in terms of the power, and now is here 1 by 6, it is a constant. Okay, here the limit it is a 3 to 5. Okay, here we use the x to the power n, x to integral of x to the power n, therefore it is 2x plus 3 to the power n plus 1, that is 1 by 2 plus 1, it is a 3 by 2 upon n plus 1, that is 3 by 2, but here into 2. Here it is, we use the x to the power n, but here not, it is the x, it is a linear function. So the coefficient of x, it is a 2, we can write here in denominator it is 2. Plus same here, 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3 to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 into 2, and here the limit is 3 to 5. Okay. Now here the 1 by 6, it is 1 by 6 into here 2 get cancel, here it is 3, this 2 get cancel, here 3, therefore we can take common 1 by 3, it is a 1 by 3, and here in the limit 2x plus 3 to the power 3 by 2 plus 2x minus 3 to the power 3 by 2, and limit it is 3 to 5. Okay. Here it is a limit. Okay, we can take 3 common. Okay, now here it is 1 by 18, and in this first we put the upper limit and then minus lower limit. Okay, see carefully the calculation. Okay, first we put upper limit, that means the x replaced by 5. Okay, in all terms x replaced by 5, therefore here 5, so 5 into 2, it is a 10, 10 plus 3 to the power 3 by 2 plus again here replace x by 5, again it is a 10 minus 3 to the power 3 by 2. Okay, here we put the upper limit, x replaced by 5, now minus lower limit, that means x replaced by here 3. Okay, it is a 3 into 2 6, it is 6 plus 3 to the power 3 by 2 plus again 6 minus 3 to the power 3 by 2. Okay, now it is 1 by 18. See carefully all the calculation. Here it is a 13 to the power 3 by 2 plus 7 to the power 3 by 2 minus this 9 to the power 3 by 2, and it is plus minus minus, it is minus plus minus 3 to the power 3 by 2. Okay, it is a calculation of all brackets, and again it is a power 3 by 2, power 3 by 2, that means 1 plus 1 by 2, that means 3 to the power 3 by 2, we can write 3 into under root 3. Okay, here like that, here we can write a to the power 3 by 2, that means a to the power 1 plus 1 by 2, this 3 by 2, then this can be written a to the power 1 into a to the power 1 by 2, and that means a into under root a. Here a to the power 3 by 2, we can write a into under root a, that means 13 to the power 3 by 2, we can write 13 into under root 13, 7 to the power 3 by 2, 7 into under root 7, 9 to the power 3 by 2, it is 9 into under root 9, but it is a perfect square, 9 into under root 9, that means 9 into 3, it is a 27, and it is 3 into under root 3. Okay, now we can write only the calculations. 1 by 18, 13 under root 13 plus 7 under root 7 minus 9 under root 9 minus 3 under root 3. Okay, and then last calculation, 1 by 18, 13 under root 13 plus 7 under root 7, here it is a 3 into 9, it is a 27, we can write after this term, and minus 27, it is 3, and here it is minus 27, and it is last answer of this question. See carefully. Okay. Now you see the next example. Example number 6. Integral 0 to 1 x square minus 2 upon x square plus 1 dx. Now integral is equal to integral 0 to 1, it is x square minus 2 upon x square plus 1 dx. Now again here the degree of numerator and degree of denominator is same, so we adjust denominator as it is in the numerator. Here degree of polynomial in numerator and degree of polynomial in denominator is same, so it is a 0 to 1, we adjust, that is x square plus 1, it is a denominator, but in the numerator there is a minus 2, so we can write here minus 3. Okay, the calculation of this term, it is x square minus 2 upon x square plus 1 dx. Now integral 0 to 1 x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 minus 3 upon x square plus 1 dx. And now here integral 0 to 1, it is 1 minus 3 into 1 upon x square minus 1 dx. Okay, see carefully this. Now integral of 1, it is x minus 3 into integral of 1 upon x square plus 1, it is a tan inverse x, and limit 0 to 1. Now upper limit minus lower limit. First we put the upper limit. Upper limit, it is 1. 1 minus 3 into tan inverse of 1. Here we replace x by 1. Now minus, we replace x by 0. 0 minus 3 into tan inverse of 0. And then it is 1 minus 3, and tan inverse of 1, it is a pi by 4. Okay. And minus 0 minus, it is a 0. Tan inverse of 0, 0, therefore it is 0. And then last answer, 1 minus 3 pi by 4. 1 minus 3 pi by 4. Okay. It is the last answer of this. Now you see the next example. Example number 7. Integral 0 to pi by 4 sin 4x into sin 3x dx. Now integral 0 to pi by 4 sin 4x into sin 3x. Here it is a product of two terms, and both are the sines, both are the trigonometric. Sin 4x into sin 3x, that means here we use the conversion of product into sum or difference. Conversion of product into sum or difference. Here see carefully the formula, it is a sin a into sin b is equal to minus 1 by 2 cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. Okay. It is a formula for sin A into sin B. Here it is a sin A into sin B. So we can write here integral 0 to pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 into cos 4x plus 3x minus cos 4x minus 3x dx. Now this 1 by 2 we can take the outside the integral 0 to pi by 4, then it is cos 7x minus cos x, and now we integrate these two terms. Okay, here minus 1 by 2 as it is. Integral of cos 7x, it is sin 7x upon 7 minus cos, integral of cos x, it is a sin x, and 0 to pi by 4. Okay, now here it is a minus 1 by 2. First take the upper limit, then minus lower limit. Sin 7 pi by 4 upon 7 minus sin pi by 4. We take the upper limit. Okay, x replaced by pi by 4. Now sin 0 upon 7, we can put 0, lower limit, and minus sin 0. Okay, now here you can write here it is a minus 1 by 2 into here sin 0, it is a 0, therefore 0 0, last term get cancelled. Sin pi by 4, it is a 1 by root 2, but here it is a sin 7 pi by 4. Sin 7 pi by 4, we can convert this angle into the allied angle 7 pi by 4. Okay, here it is a pi by 4. Okay, convert into this allied angle sin 7 pi by 4. It is a pi by 4, therefore it is a 2 pi minus pi by 4. See carefully, it is a 2 pi minus pi by 4. 8 pi minus, therefore it is a 7 pi by 4. Carefully ba. 8 pi minus pi, it is a 7 pi by 4. So we can convert this angle into the allied angle form. Then here it is 1 by 7, this 1 by 7 into sin 2 pi minus pi by 4. It is minus sin pi by 4 as it is. Okay, and this term becomes 0. Okay, carefully ba. Okay, here 1 by 7, it is 1 by 7. Sin 7 pi by 4, it is 2 pi minus pi by 4. 2 pi minus pi by 4, it is 8 pi minus pi, it is 7 pi by 4, and sin pi by 4 as it is, and last two terms are the 0. Then last answer will be here, we can write. Then I is equal to minus 1 by 2 into, it is a 1 by 7, and we know that the allied formula sin 2 pi minus theta, sin 2 pi minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So this can be written as it is a minus sin pi by 4 and minus this sin pi by 4 as it is. Now we put the values of this minus 1 by 2 into this minus 1 by 7, 1 by root 2, and minus 1 by root 2. Okay, so we take the minus 1 by root 2 common, minus 1 by root 2, minus 1 by root 2, then and it is minus, so here minus 1 by 2 under root 2 into 1 by 7 plus 1, and then the last answer it is 1 by 2 root 2, 1 by 2 root 2 into, it is 7, it is 8 by 7. Okay, see carefully this calculation, and this 2 get cancelled, we get it is a 4, 2 and 8, and it is 7 under root 2. Okay, 7 and it is under root 2. Okay, now here check all the calculation. Here it is 7 pi by 4, so we use here the this angle converted into the allied angle, it is a 2 pi minus pi by 4. Okay, 2 pi minus pi by 4, it is a 4 into 2 pi, it is 8. 8 minus pi, it is 7. Okay, 7 pi upon 4, and it is a pi by 4. Now again, 2 pi minus theta, sin 2 pi minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So we use here again the formula for the allied angle, and then put the value of the sin pi by 4, and here again minus 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2 we take common. Here minus already, therefore 1 by 2, and that is 1 by root 2, it is 1 by 2 root 2. Here remaining 1 by 7, and it is a plus 1, and the addition of this, it is 8 by 7. Then this 2 get cancelled, it is the last answer. Check the calculation.